Coal Lodge. You got a radio on. Watch that little red car on your left. I don't know how you can miss that. There you go, right in front of you. That's the closest I've ever come to hitting somebody.
Truck up there just about rear-ended that fire truck. Did you see that? He's texting and texting and texting, zigzagging all over his lane, and near rear-ended that fire truck. He just about sideswiped me back in Tucson. Holy Dollywall noticed that Penske truck at the last second, just like the fire truck he almost ran over. What a
Is so poor, and that they mistake us for blubbery seals. So ain't that nice? I feel so much better knowing every time a shark has gnawed me like Willie going at a chicken wing, it was just an innocent mistake. Idiots call those great white sharks truck's a miracle.
Yeah, thank you. Oh!
Some of the concrete's chipping, you don't know which stairs.
You get this big lip at the top, someone's going to die of those.
No, in about every other, I don't know, 5 or 6 days, you got like 3 guys out there with a clipboard looking to see up there. But nothing ever gets done, but they're out there looking.
The rumor is they're going to carpet them.
Sure.
Oh, okay. Let's go with the fall.
For life. It is me, Nick Hausman, the host here of the game show. Every time we do them, I mean, maybe not every time, sometimes Sean's hosting them, but a lot of the time, I'm the host.
This happened in Washington, not far from Ellensburg. Climbing up a hill, I'm empty. I'm going about the speed limit, a little over actually. And this guy comes burning up on my left like he's going to pass me. Posted signs say no trucks in the left lane. He thinks just because he turns his turn signal on, I'm going to automatically move over. There could be slower traffic up ahead. It's foggy. He couldn't pass me at this point, so I'm not going to get behind a truck that's slower than me. He starts trying to sideswipe me and push me over. At this point, screw him. I'm going to maintain my lane and keep going. So obviously I damaged this guy's fragile male ego, and he couldn't take it. So about 10 minutes later, this happens. I'm going the speed limit. and we were going down a hill, and he decides to pull in front of me and cut me off, and then proceeds to brake check me hard, and I had to move over in the left lane. He tries to cut me off again. You know, at this point, he's going like 50. This is insane. I I don't know, man, but what is wrong with people these days? I mean, it seriously, someone could have been killed